Hi guys, this is Emily. I'm Max,
Hi, I'm Melina.
and today we're gonna learn Chinese. Ellen, what video we will watch today?
Well, firstly, do you still remember what we watched last time?
Yeah, of course, I remember we watched a video about the boy who was bitten by a mosquito, and his mom explained him why.
Yes, and at the end, his mom pushed him to go to school. And today, let's see what will happen next.
Okay, guys, so let's watch the video.
我不想上学，我想睡觉。
别胡说，为什么？
我时差还没倒过来呢。
谁又在这瞎说八道啊？啊！你从美国都回来180天了，人80天都把地球都环游一周了，你还没倒过时差来？
我在美国都待了7年了。
对呀，人家7年就得倒7年的时差。
Okay, guys, so now we will explain you sentence by sentence. So, and the first sentence.
It's said by Xiao Yu. He said, 我不想上学，我想睡觉。
So that's pretty easy for me. He just told, I don't want to go to school. I want to sleep. And that's normal thing.
Yes, every kid dream about it, right?
Yeah.
So let's see what's next. Mama, Mom said, 别胡说，为什么？
So again, we have 别胡说. In the first video, we explained it, and it means don't say nonsense. And then she asked, why?
Yes, you're right. So see, 别胡说, this is a very useful phrases in daily life. So need to remember it. Let's see. 小雨 reply, 我时差还没倒过来呢。
Okay, so it's a little bit difficult. The general translation will be like, I still have jet lag.
Yes, you're right. You can also say I haven't adjusted my jet lag yet.
Okay, so 时差, what does it mean?
Well, 时差, it means jet lag. And from the character, you can immediately see that 时 refers to 时间, right? So 差 difference. Together is time difference. So here we also have a phrase called 倒时差. It means adjust jet lag.
Adjust jet lag. But here we have 倒过来.
Yes. So here this is another phrase I want to explain. 倒过来. Why here we say 倒过来? 倒过来, this phrase it means to turn something upside down. So here you may have a question that why will we use 倒时差倒过来时差, right?
Yeah.
You don't say 倒时差.
Yes.
So firstly I want to ask you, do you know what is sun clock?
Yes, of course, everyone knows.
Yes, like this, like the picture, right? So previously people would like to use sun clock to see the time. So when the upper sand all goes down, you need to turn it upside down to again let the sand goes down, right? To check this time like this. So just now we already said 时差. We directly translate it word by word. It means time difference. So also it refers to the time. So just like this sand clock, you need to turn it upside down. Then you can adjust the time in the new place.
Okay, I got it. So when we are talking about jet lag, so we usually use 倒过来 when you explain that I'm good, I'm okay, so now I don't have a jet lag. So
Yes, you're right. So if you want to say you haven't adjusted your jet lag yet, then you can say 我时差还没倒过来.
okay, this what we have here
Yeah.
in this sentence.
So let's see who we say.
Oh.
爸爸 appear.
Yes, that.
So 爸爸 said, 谁在这儿瞎说八道啊?
So 瞎说八道. What does it mean?
Well, here actually you can look at the translation first. It means who's talking nonsense here. So obviously 瞎说八道 means talk nonsense.
So this is something like 别胡说, meaning almost the same.
Yes. So here also can say 胡说八道. 谁在这儿胡说八道啊? They are the same. 胡说八道 and 瞎说八道 means you talk something nonsense like this.
So this also use a lot this expression in Chinese.
Yes.
So that's pretty useful phrase. Okay, so what's next? Oh, so complicated.
Yes, let's see. 从美国回来都180天了，人家80天把地球都环游1周了，你还没倒过时差来。So firstly, let's see the translation. You have already been back from America for 180 days. Others can travel around the world with 80 days. You still didn't get over the jet lag yet?
Okay, thank you for translation. And here the first word that I want to ask you about is 人家.
Okay. This is also a very common use word in daily life. So you need to remember it. 人家 here is a pronoun. It refers to that person or those people except the speaker and the listener.
Okay, I got it. But it looks like the meaning is a little bit vague. So you mean the whole world, the people from all over the world, something like this, right?
Yes, here just if when you're talking you don't want to specify someone, then you can just use 人家.
Oh, that's pretty convenient, and we can use it a lot when we're talking.
Yes, of course.
Okay, so and the next thing that I don't understand clearly, this is 地球环游. Actually, it should be 环游地球.
Yes, you're right. So here, mostly in daily life, we will say 环游世界. 环游世界 and 环游地球, they are the same. But in daily life, we mostly choose the first one.
Okay, got it. But here we have 地球环游. Why?
You see, before 地球 has a 把 character.
Oh, this one. Okay.
Yes. So this 把 sentence is very useful also, and you will hear it or see it in daily life a lot. So here 把 just emphasize, its function is to emphasize 地球 the world. It means the whole world.
So I got it. So actually, 地球环游地球 it means to around the world. Yes, but when we use 把, so we get meaning like all around the world.
Yes, you're right. If without 把, this sentence also can say 人家80天环游地球1周了. They can say like this without 把. But if you put 把 here, you want to emphasize the whole world, then you need to say 人家把地球都环游1周了.
Okay, got it. It's clear for me. So, and what's next?
So let's see. 小雨 said, 我在美国都待了7年了.
Okay, so, and here I just don't understand the verb 待.
Yes, 待. So here it just means to stay. So this sentence means, but I have been in America for 7 years. So 待 means to stay. When you want to mean to stay, it has 2 ways to say. One is the character you already seen on the screen. The other is the blue one. 待.
But we pronounce them the same.
Yes, you're right. When we want to mean to stay, you can use each of them as you like, and they all mean 待. They all pronounce 待.
So and the meaning the same, to stay. Okay, got it. But after 待, we have 了 in the end. What does it mean?
Okay, good question. Okay, here has 2 了, right? So the first 了, it means it just refers to the past tense. It just refers to the past tense. And the last 了 at the end, it just emphasizes 7 years. This such a long time.
So the second 了, it's not like past tense indicator. It's just emphasize.
Yes, you're right. And the first 了 just refers to the past tense.
Okay, so it's a little bit confusing when we have 2 in one sentence and they have different functions.
Yes, but you need to remember when the 了 put after the verb, so it just refers to past tense.
Okay, I got it. What we have next?
Next, mom said, 对呀，人家7年就得倒7年的时差.
Okay, so mom is kidding here. So she said, oh yeah, again, 人家 here it means it's not the whole world. People from all the world here it means her son. Yeah, and it's the like vague way to mention these things. So.
Yes, you're right.
And she says so her son for 7 years had been in United States of America and this.
Yes, here you see, although it just say 人家7年, no verb here. You will curious why a sentence should be a subject, a verb, and an object, but why here no verb? Is it wrong? But I can tell you it's not wrong. It's correct because like English, we don't like to repeat the same thing a lot. So we would like to talk simply. So, Xiao Yu just now already said he had been in America for 7 years. So here, of course, mom also want to just repeat again this fact. So she just say 人家7年, but we already know it means 人家在美国待了7年. This meaning.
Okay, I got it. The Chinese like to simplify their speech. Okay, so and the next and she's trying to and she's kidding here. She just told that then he need spend 7 years to adjust his jet lag.
Yes, you're right. It's very funny, right? Actually, it's not true, of course. If to spend such a long time, no one dare to travel around the world. So horrible.
Yes. So and then in the end she told
爸爸什么都不懂.
Dad doesn't understand anything.
Yes, you can also translate it like that is silly, right?
Yes. So and we forgot to explain you guys one verb. This is day tao. So what does it mean here?
So here they means have to. So this character is very funny. It has 3 sounds with 3 different meanings. The first is they means have to. The second is 得, second tone. For example, 得到 means to get something, 得到. And the third one is a neutral tone, without tone mark, neutral tone. 的. Is usually put behind a verb. For example, 跑得快.
Okay, so when we want to say how fast I'm running, so I can use this verb 跑得快 or 跑得 slowly. How to say slowly?
跑得慢.
跑得慢. Okay, so that's pretty easy.
Yes. So also I want to explain a little bit about the last sentence. 爸爸什么都不懂. Although in English you can see that is silly, but actually here it doesn't mean that is really silly. Just funny to say. And the mom actually just want to comfort her son, so she say this.
Okay, I got it. So actually it's not very offensive way to talk to your husband like this. So it's just normal thing in daily life.
Yes, you're right. So that's it. So I want to ask you a question, Mas. Do you have the same experience about jet lag?
Yeah, of course. I had this kind of experience when I traveled to United States of America, and I had 17 hours jet lag.
17 hours. Such a long time.
Yes, because Russia and United States, they're far away from each other. So I spent some time to get over the jet lag. And how about you guys? Do you like to travel? Did you have jet lag in your life? Share your experience with us. Tell us a few words about it.
Yes, welcome to share your experience with us. Let's see whose jet lag is longer. Right.
Okay, guys, that's it for today. See you next time. Bye. 再见.
See you next time. 再见.